Hello everyone, welcome to Vedic Astrology. I am Dr. Nadadur Srivatsan. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Jupiter transit for Aries ascendant or Mesha Rasi people. Mesha Rasi people are basically stubborn, having a stubborn nature, and they are very adamant about what they are. And they will do anything for their friends and relatives, and they are the person who always strive for the dharma. And sometimes they will do anything for their friends and relatives. And one thing what they can't withstand is the backstabbing, which they don't like. And that's why with that stubborn nature that gives them the courage to fight for anything, and they are like warriors. Having said that, the Jupiter transit brings a lot of prosperity for them at this point of time. Jupiter is the ninth lord. Ninth house, we talk about Bhagyam or Bhagyasthana, which brings all the prosperity and happiness to our life. And because it is a house of our mentors and forefathers as well. And at this point of time, the Jupiter transit, which is happening on 13th November 2021, the Jupiter transiting from their 10th house to the 11th house, which is a Karmasthana to the Labhasthana. They might be having some delay in getting the recognition or for the work what they have done. They are unable to get all those benefits for the past 1 year. Would see a lot of changes in terms of recognition and fulfillment of desires because for Aries ascendant, the Jupiter transit to the 11th house. 11th house is all about goals, ambitions, desires, and fulfillment of all those desires. Hence, this is going to bring a lot of positivity for them. Jupiter in 11th house also aspect the third house of initiative. So whatever the initiative that is blocking for the past 1 year or 1.5 years would see a lot of progress for them. They can start taking newer initiatives and communication with the relatives will be improved at this point of time. Jupiter will also be looking at their fifth house of what you call happiness and children and Pura Punya, and they are able to write the benefit of all the positive things, and they are able to spend good quality time with their children, and they will be get happy surroundings with their children, and also they will be able to get to spend time with their friends, the friends they are connected to very closely. Jupiter at this point of time will be looking at their seventh house of marriage partner, and people of marriageable ages who are unable to find the right partners or which is being delayed for the past 1 year or 1.5 years due to aspect of Saturn from the 10th house will see positive changes for them because Jupiter, when it aspects the 7th house, it brings the proposal which were rejected or the proposal which has come closer but it is not materialized would see positive changes at this point of time. So the people of marriageable ages will see positive trends for their marriage prospects at this point of time. We can also see Jupiter being the ninth lord in the 11th house. Ninth house is all about wisdom, mentors, and our travel. People who are planning to do higher studies abroad or higher studies in particular would see positive changes and they will be able to join the courses of their liking and choice because Jupiter looks at the third house of initiatives and hence they will be able to fulfill their goals, ambitions, and desires, especially relating to the education, especially higher education. People who are trying to go for abroad for higher studies, which has been blocked for the past 1.5 years, maybe due to the corona pandemic also, would see positive trends for them happening, and they will be able to join the institution of higher repute, and they will be able to fulfill their ambitions of getting into higher studies abroad. We can also see the positive trends for them. People who are trying to go abroad for work related things and they will be able to see positive changes, and people who are not given the promotion or the salary hike or transfers would see positive trends because Saturn sitting in 10th house blocking the promotion because it is a 10th house, and with the secret enemies, people who are trying to plot against a person, Aries person, will be eliminated at this point of time or will be going away or their effect will be reduced, and people uh, who are waiting for or due for their recognition in terms of workplace will see positive change. So for overall, people who are working will see positive trends for job change to a favorable location as well as the transfers of the favorable location, and also possibility of traveling abroad is also indicated. And people who are blocked because of some property disputes, those who have made losses in their investment, they're able to reduce their losses to a greater extent at this point of time, and the loans which they have lent to someone, they will be able to get back those money. So overall, I see positive trends and changes for the Aries ascendant, Aries zodiac sign people or Mesha Rasi people, and bring a lot of positivity into them. So please share, subscribe, and like the video, and pass it on to the video to the friends and relatives of yours who are trying to understand what is happening in their life with respect to the Jupiter transit. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.